I-upload ko ni sa YouTube.
Representative Dennis Gemona. Through their careful evaluation,
May
we
kaya
ensure
ano.
a fair, objective, and transparent selection of our awards. And ladies and gentlemen, let's proceed with the awarding of our LTIA awardees, Katarungang Pabarangay Implementation.
And of course, to present the award, may we request on stage, among the center, we have PNP Masakaw Chief, Police Major Michael Vincent Orlando,
The Legal President, Honorable Jodel Mariano,
DILG Provincial Director, Sir Ray Casanes, Cecil Pai,
the CSO, Mr. Dennis Gerona, the Pasakaw Ganggang
and
Station,
of course our Honorable Mayor, Leonardo.
Citation reads, to win 26 Lubong Tagapamayaman Angelic Awards or LTIA, this plaque of recognition